In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!